language for life. Learn a new language with ease. Go to Babbel.com to try for free. That's BABBEL.com. Babbel.com.
The following is a test of the EAS. This station is testing its emergency alert equipment. The EAS provides timely emergency warnings. This station serves the extended Pittsburgh operational area. This concludes this EAS test.
Hey. Oh, it's going over, Easy IP. Receive any alarms? Oh, what's this thing? I hope it's getting it. Whoa, what? Okay. Okay, here we go. Alrighty, so today I was joined by
RCT3 dude 153.
Say your correct name.
Actually, what? I'm SG2413.
No, you are not.
Anyway, no, I'm RCT32165.
And where is SG2413 at? Stop hiding.
Oh no.
See, you know, you're a little for hiding. Come on, show yourself.
I'm right here, SG2413.
Hey. Alright, so unfortunately, I could not see them tonight because I have school tomorrow. But
we haven't meet up on Wednesday.
But I will be seeing them on Wednesday though, so that's the good thing. So stay tuned for that. It's gonna be a weekly test collab. That's all I'm gonna say.
Yes.
Alright, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.